am Chuma Lizardo. Right here we have an eyeball. We're going to see what effects soda has on an eyeball. So we're going to wrap this, which I refuse to do without rubber gloves. Oh, it doesn't look... Oh, gross. This is very gross. Very gross, and it's all stuck on. Oh, just so gross. Oh, man. I'm just glad that I have rubber gloves, but I'm still gonna wash my hands. Get off, tinfoil. Die. 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 Okay, did we get off the tinfoil? Oh, off. See, we have our eyeball, and look at my hands now. Oh, gross. So we're gonna put this in, right? Looks like it already is rotten. Oh.
Isn't there a piece of paper on there?
Okay, got it off.
Take your gloves off.
We're gonna take these gloves off. Okay, now I don't want to take... God! It's right. As you see, it's Mountain Dew. Oh man. Oh. As you see, well, it floats. Contains the bad smell. Should we put the lid on? Alright, now we're going to put the lid on. This right here. Now we have the lid on. Containing the smell. There we go. I'm gonna go and wash my hands. Here's our eyeball. There. Oh, shoot.
Watch your mouth.
Well, I think I already found that cord.
Okay, talk about it.
So this is the cornea. Wait, it's squishy. This is the cornea. Would you care to get the sheet? See, the cornea is the protector of the eye. See, it's cloudy now. So, should we start with the dissecting?
Well, talk about what it's like compared to what it was when you first got it.
When I first got it, it was brown. Now it is green and yellow.
Remember? Nope, not with that, with the scissors. Watch your fingers. Would you say there was more muscle on it and fat when you first started?
Yes.
So what's happened to the muscle and the fat?
Probably got absorbed by the Mountain Dew.
So that's probably enough. Why don't we go ahead and start with the regular eye? You're going to use the scalpel to cut. No, now hold it carefully because that's really sharp. Hold it to the side. Would you like some help?
Yes, please. Now that's a way to see how strong the cornea is. Can we have a wipes?
What's that? What's that? What's the liquid? Yeah.
Alright.
What's the liquidy stuff called? Do you remember, Truman?
Well, it says on our chart.
So our chart says what?
It's the aqueous humor.
No. Vitreous humor.
Vitreous humor.
Okay. So now we need to, we're going to cut the eye open.
Wait, but you see how it kind of looks braided.
What did the vitreous humor do, Truman?
It helped shape it.
And what did the
Corneas, it protected the eye by bending light.
no, it protected the eye, but it bent the light so you can see, right? Okay, how about we make an incision right here. Note with this scalpel, very carefully. Don't cut my hand. Here. Here, let's make a snip. I'll make the first cut and then you can cut the rest. How's that sound? Okay. Go right ahead. Truman. All the way around. Don't cut my glove, please. Oh.
What the heck is that?
What is this, Truman?
Chart.
What does it look like?
Oh, awfully weird. Or it looks like an egg.
Kind of looks like an egg because it has the vitreous humor on there. Vitreous humor. Now wait, but what's it called, Truman?
Is it called the lens?
That is the lens. What color is the lens supposed to be?
Clear.
Clear? What color is it?
It's yellow.
Why would it be yellow, do you think?
Because the Mountain Dew was yellow.
Because the Mountain Dew was yellow.
And should we cut it in half to see what's inside of
We
it?
can cut it in half in a little bit, but let's finish what we're doing here. So, we have the corneas. What's this part right here? Got it? No, put the scissors down. We're going to pull it off. Carefully.
Maybe we should use the tweezers.
Oh,
You ripped it.
I ripped it.
That's okay.
First eye dissection. Bound
Okay.
to have some issues.
What's that?
So what is
Like,
this?
oh God.
Should we look at the chart and see what this is? Or do you
No,
remember?
I already know. This is the black dot in your eye, the pupil.
No. what's this actual thing called? When it's like this?
The iris.
The iris. Now the hollow part, the hole, is what part?
Your pupil.
Yep, so we'll put this right here. So you can kind of see how that's supposed to be.
It looks like dog poop.
Jay, I need you not to do that. Okay. Oh. Figure out where else we're at.
Some weird stuff, T.
Okay, so we've located what, Truman, so far? The iris, and what else? What else have we located? We located the lens, and this is a corneus. Can we see if it makes that sound like we heard?
Now listen closely.
You know, just poke at it. There, it doesn't. Do you think maybe the Mountain Dew?
No, I hear that crackle.
You hear the crackle?
Listen closely.
I can't. Well, I don't know. But this is the corneus, and it has, what does it have, TJ?
Bunch of tissue.
Several layers of tissue. Okay.
There's the lens.
Holy cow.
And then what will we find here, Truman?
The tantum. And the retina.
This is what?
The retina.
The retina. And what's the retina do?
It makes light. Where your eye goes, and then you will find your optical nerve.
Should we cut this away so we can find the optical nerve? Oh, it came right off. Let's put that right over here.
The optical nerve.
No, that's the retina.
Oh.
And the optical nerve's going to be right under here somewhere. Gotta find it.
Let me pull it off.
You want to pull that off? Pull it off.
Alright.
Oh gosh.
Ah, my finger.
Ow.
But this shiny stuff is what?
The tantum.
The tantum. Yep. Somewhere in here should be what, TJ?
The optical nerve.
The optical nerve.
I thought I saw the outside.
The outside? Where?
What's that yellow thing on there?
Oh,
There's the optical nerve.
there's the optical nerve. Do you want to try pushing it and see if stuff comes out?
Wait, I can't see it. Let me see it first.
Right here.
Wow. Thing's ugly.
Oh, I see stuff coming. Push further down.
See that
Oh,
white
see
glue?
that white stuff?
I'll get you some more. See all that
Yeah.
white glue on the optical nerve? Tell me what that is, Mom.
That stuff is called...
It's on the computer.
Well, I'm going to get to the computer.
It's weird. It kind of looks like milk.
It's the myelin. And what does it do?
It gets fibers to your eye. You have some right on here.
Stop. Wait.
So, what should we normally be able to do with the lens? This right
Use it
here,
as a
this jelly
magnifier.
stuff is called what?
Oh.
We can look that up on the chart.
It's the vitreous humerus. Vitreous humor. So what do we usually can do with the lens?
Use it as a magnifier.
Look, Jay. Are we able to see anything through the lens? So,
What the? Whoa.
we don't know what this stuff is.
It's supposed to be clear.
Is it
So,
kind of yellowy?
what was your hypothesis that would happen with the soda?
That it would rot everything.
It would rot everything. So considering the fact that you're supposed to see through your lens, which magnifies what you're seeing, what would your conclusion be? Was your hypothesis right?
Yes. What's this with that stuff?
This is so gross.
Oh, it broke apart on here. Gonna have a little bit of trouble washing these.
There's a little bit of clear. TJ, hold this up. Right there. That covering right there. Hold it. No, with the tweezers, baby.
Yeah, this little bit. Now should we see if it magnifies?
We can check. We can see if we can even see through it. Oh, you can kind of see, but it's not magnifying it because all the stuff inside is what magnifies it. But you can see through it. So what do you think about your conclusion in your experiment, Truman? What have you learned?
But we should do one more thing before we go. Since there's like this thing in there, should we try to cut it open and see what's inside?
Why don't we try cutting it? What does this feel like, Truman? Is it easy?
No, it's really hard.
It's really tough, maybe like leather or something like that?
Exactly like leather.
Okay, how about let's leave it just like this?
Or you can stretch it and I'll cut it.
Well, let's not
Stretch
cut it anymore. Let's just look at it and talk about it.
Well, you see here we discovered, well, probably already been discovered, right?
Yeah.
We found that more of that nerve, and now we can even push more in.
Here.
Now should we take a liquid, see what happens see if there's any liquid in
There's
it?
not any liquid for us to get.
Wait, how do you take the liquid?
You could take this liquid right here. Squeeze it and put it right here. All right. Well, so what have you learned, Mr. Truman?
That I'm able to take some from that.
Okay. Truman, what did you learn about from the whole experiment?
I learned that some of my conclusion was correct. The Mountain Dew did indeed destroy the eyeball. Destroyed some parts of it, disintegrated it. Well, not disintegrated, dissolved it.
What did it do to the lens?
It rotted the lens.
It rotted the lens.
So, practically, if you have soda in your eye for a long time,
Your eyes
You-
would rot.
How long
you won't
did
be
you
able
wind
to
up
see?
having the eye in the soda?
As in our last video, we said 10 days.
All right.
Actually, no. It was our last video.
Okay.
alright.
We had an eyeball in soda for 10 days. This is what happens to an eyeball when it's in soda for 10 days.
This in here.
That's part of the lens.
This with the other pieces.
All right, so, well, what do you say to everybody for watching your video, Truman?
Thank you for watching. Hope you have had a good time watching. Goodbye.
Alright.